Hello beta, good morning all of you. Beta, I am Jagdish, your English teacher from our Vidya Bharati Public School. Beta, let us read lesson number 10, The Proposal by Anton Chekhov. Beta, let's go to the live class to attend. Okay beta.
This is a humorous play, one act play. एक ही एक्ट इसमें होता है. एक ही एक्ट का मतलब स्टेज के ऊपर से पर्दा नहीं गिरता है एक बार में ही वो जो है ना पूरा हो जाता है. एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट प्ले. ये कब है इन सेट इन 19th सेंचुरी. मतलब ये 1890 में स्टेज किया गया इन रशिया. इसमें मेन कैरेक्टर्स कौन है? द मेन कैरेक्टर्स एक तो है इवान चुबुकोव, दूसरा है उसकी बेटी नतालिया, स्टेपनोवा, देन लोमोव. ये मेन कैरेक्टर्स है इसके. ये जो इवान चुबुकोव जो है, ये तीनों ये जो है ना एक जैसे बच्चों की तरह दे आर फाइटिंग अमंग देमसेल्व्स ऑन पेटी थिंग्स. इसके थीम क्या है? इसके दो थीम है इसके मेन, इस नाटक के, इस प्ले के. एक थीम तो ये है कि जो मैरिजेस होती थी वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स थे, एक तरह से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. he has more lands, he has more property, let us give our daughter to him. His property will be of our daughter. So the marriages were contracts in those days. They might be prevalent now also in many places. Then what is the second thing? When we quarrel among ourselves, we do not quarrel on serious issues. No, we quarrel on nonsense, petty things, तुच्छ चीजों के ऊपर, which do not have any meaning, which do not need any consideration. कुछ भी उनको ऊपर सोचने विचारने की बात भी नहीं. So those things we quarrel, on those things we quarrel. And we all become like children. Have you seen? There is difference. When we talk lovingly, we have not to shout, because we are more aware. Aware means when we are aware, we shall talk very slow, and the other person also will listen to us very easily, because if we are aware, we are peaceful. We are more peaceful. If we are peaceful, we are alert. That is the same thing. Peaceful and alertness. Peace and alertness, both are the same thing. Now see, when we become angry, we become unconscious. You will not believe it. Let us see it. When we become angry, we shout at one another. He is sitting before us, within inches even, within feet, but we shout. He also shouts. He does not listen to us. What is that? We are not aware. We have lost our consciousness. We become almost unconscious when we are angry. So when we are in love, then also we need not shout at our beloved or our lover, our friends. When we are friends, we have no need to shout. Do we need? But when we are with someone whom we do not like, we have to talk sternly. We have to talk, we have to shout, because we do not understand love. We do not understand feelings. So love feelings, love, awareness, peace, all these things are connected or they are one. The many names of one object, one thing. Okay, so in this lesson, in this play, what happens? Lomo, he is a 35 years young man, 35 years old young man. He wants to marry this girl, Natalia Stepnova. She is her neighbor and she is the daughter of Ivan Chubukov. Ivan Chubukov is an old man, the father of Natalia Stepnova. This man Lomo comes to propose, to give a proposal of marriage to Natalia. Natalia is inside the house, outside in the house. When he goes there in the drawing room, he finds Ivan Chubukov sitting. Then he comes Lomo and he says, he is beating about the bush. He does not come straight to the point. He says, "Sir, I have a great respect for you. I have come for a request." So then Ivan Chubukov becomes alert. He thinks that this man Lomo has come to borrow some money. I shall not give. So he is in a protective mood. Protective mode. He says, "I shall not give him any money." Then he is beating about the bush. He says many things, and then in the end, then the old man Chubukov asks, "Why are you wearing this good dress, as if this is some festival like Christmas, or are you going to some party?" Then this man Lomo expresses his wish and he says, "I have come to ask for your daughter's hand. I have to come to propose her." Then Ivan Chubukov becomes excited and he is very happy and he forgets that for a few minutes before he was thinking that I shall not give any money to him, and now he is able to give his daughter's hand in this man's hand. So what is that? That's a contract. This is a rich man and this also is a rich man. So both of them, they are thinking that his property is mine. He also thinks, and this man, he thinks that I am 35 years old, I have palpitations. Palpitation मतलब दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ जाती हैं छोटी सी बात के ऊपर. So he has heart problem, and so he knows that Natalia Stepnova is a good housekeeper, and she is pretty, and she is almost 25 years old. So they are thinking about the gains and losses. Both of them, they are thinking that we are not going to lose anything. Then what does this man do, Chubukov, Natalia's father? He goes inside the house from the drawing room and he does not inform his daughter straightforwardly, in a straight way. He does not tell her that Lomo have come with a proposal for marriage with you. He does not say. He says some merchant has come to collect his goods. So how will she understand? Then he might be a junk dealer also. So she comes in the parlor. She comes in the drawing room and she finds Lomo. Then here also he is beating about the bush. He does not tell directly that I want to marry you and please accept my proposal. He does not say. He says our families have long relations. We are respectful, cordial for one another, and we are indebted to you, and so many other things. He says. He does not come straight to the point. And while talking about those things, he also talks about our lands, touch your lands, our field, touch your fields, and then he talks about auction birches, auction meadows. Auction meadows पर लड़ाई होती है. What is auction meadows? मतलब बैलों के चरने के लिए जो जमीनें छोड़ रखी हैं, कोई छोटा सा टुकड़ा है जमीन का, तो उसके बारे में बोलता है ये मेरे हैं वो, और आपकी जमीन से टच करते हैं. अब वो ये हियर ही गोज रॉन्ग, although he might not be wrong, but Natalia Stepanova, she catches this point and she says all whatever you have said, all of it is very correct. But about auction meadows, you are wrong. Auction meadows are ours, and now he is adamant, वो बिल्कुल जिद कर रखी है उसने, नहीं, they are ours, and she says no, you are wrong, they are ours, or you are a land grabber. और फिर वो बोलने लग जाती भी, your father was a drunkard and your aunt, father's sister, she had run away with someone. So these things, and they start shouting, they calling each other by names, एक दूसरे को गालियां निकालने लग जाते हैं एक तरह से, and both of them become very angry. That is, they start losing consciousness. They have lost their awareness. They have fully caught in the grip of emotions. Emotions are not bad if they are in control, if they are good emotions, but they are totally bad if we are in their hold, in their grip, because we do not see, our eyes are not open, our eyes are red with blood almost, so they are dark, they can see only darkness, that is, they do not see the reality. So both of them, they start shouting at each other, and he says, I shall go to court, etc., and you are land grabbers, and she also says that your parents and your grandfathers, your forefathers, they also have been sitting in the courts always, they have fought cases against many people. It means you are not good people. Then what happens? Ivan Chukukov, the old man, it is expected that he will pacify them. Okay, but he also proves to be childish. He, instead of pacifying them, he ignites the quarrel, he ignites the anger, and he favors his daughter, and he also starts shouting. He says that auction meadows are ours, they do not belong to you, and he also says many bad things. They forget everything about, he forgets everything about the marriage proposal. So that's what is highlighted here. We fight, we quarrel on petty things which are of no value. What is more valuable here? The relation, which is going to last for 7 generations. बोलते हैं ना, शादी विवाह जो 7 पुश्तों का संबंध होता है. So they forget. Lomov and Chukukov, they know about the proposal, isn't it? Although Natalia does not know, but both of them, they also. And this man has palpitations. His heart starts pounding very much, and he is ordered by both of them, father and daughter, go out or get out of our house, and do not set foot on our land, in our house again, in our home again. Then what happens? He, staggering way, he goes out of the house, And then Ivan Chubukov, the old man, Natalia's father, he says, see the man, how stupid he is, and he dares to propose you. He dares. How dare he propose you? How dare he come with a proposal at my house? Then Natalia, she comes to know of the proposal. She is surprised. What proposal? Then his father says, Chubukov also thinks that she might be knowing about the proposal, because he had in an indirect way informed her, but she did not understand. And that was not the way of informing, of giving the information. He should have given the information in the correct words. He did not. He said to her, some merchant has come to collect his goods. What was that? That was not straightforward. So whenever we have to give some information, it is better to give in correct, apt, appropriate words. Isn't it? True words. Otherwise, say a simple joke, a slight carelessness proves to be disastrous. है ना, छोटी सी भी जो है ना गलती वो नुकसानदायक हो सकती है, भारी पड़ सकती है. Then she says, what proposal? He said that he had come to propose you. Did you not know? He did not know that proposal has not been made. He thought that he did not know. She asked her father, go and get him back, bring him back at once. Why did you not tell me that he had come for the proposal? Otherwise I would not have fought. Then he says, what? Now I shall go? How insulted I shall feel? So it is better to kill oneself, to shoot oneself, instead of being a young daughter's father. So he feels very awkward, but he goes to Lomo and brings him back. He says to her, daughter, I shall not talk to him, you take care of him. I shall not talk now. How shall I talk? I have said him so many bad things. When we are angry, we say many such things. So it is said that if you are talking to your enemy, do not say such hurting words which may penetrate his heart, because some other day he may become your friend. Because friends many times turn into foes, enemies, and enemies turn into friends. This happens. Nobody is permanent, and nobody should be permanently enemy, because no one is bad. These are the situations which make us, isn't it? So he comes, and Natalia, now as if showing sensibility, she says, sir, I was in the wrong. We both, father and daughter, were in the wrong. And Oxen meadows belong to you. Oxen birches belong to you. They are not ours. So in a way, she is feeling sorry. She felt sorry. Then they start. Then she changes topic. She talks about shooting. She thinks that now we shall not move into another quarrel. And she talks about shooting. And while talking about shooting, they come to the topic of their dogs. So Lomo has Squeezer. Now guess. Lomo's dog is Guess, and Natalia's dog is Squeezer. Now both of them, they start claiming that my dog is of better breed and yours is not. And then again they start shouting, they start calling names. When we read the lesson, this is very interesting. And again they become very, very, very angry. on one another, and they forget about the proposal. Now she also knows about the proposal, but she does not care about proposal. भाड़ में जाओ, go to hell. And then they leave the dogs and they come to their families. Your father is so and such, your mother is, your aunt is so and so. इस तरह they talk about so many nasty things about one another. Then Ivan Chubukov enters, and he always, whenever he enters to make things worse. वो और भी झगड़े को जो है ना वो खराब बना देता है और भी बढ़ा देता है वो. He does not pacify them. Then this man Lomov, he has palpitations, and his heart he feels that it is being pulled in the left side, his chest, and his left foot becomes numb. पैर सो जाता है ना तो sleeping, as if it is sleeping. तो इधर से लेफ्ट साइड उसको ऐसा लगता है भाई आई शैल बिकम अनकॉन्शियस, आई शैल हैव एन हार्ट अटैक, ऐसा उसको लगता है. देन दे डू नॉट स्टॉप बुलिंग हिम, दे डू नॉट स्टॉप कर्सिंग हिम, they keep on cursing him, they keep on shouting and saying many bad things about him, and in the end he falls onto the sofa, and they do not stop even then he becomes unconscious. Then Ivan Chubukov, he comes to his senses, he thinks that Lomov might have died, and Natalia Stepnova starts weeping that you have killed my prospective husband. So then he tries to bring him round, उसको होश में लाने की कोशिश करता है, and for that gives him pours some drops of water in his mouth, and he stirs, थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट करता है लोमोव, और फिर उसकी सांस में सांस आती है, जान में जान आती है कि he has not died, he is simply unconscious. तो फिर वो सोचता है इवान चुबुकोव कहीं फिर से कोई लड़ाई स्टार्ट ना हो जाए. he places his daughter's hand, Natala's hand, into Lomov's hand and says, you had come here to propose, she accepts your proposal, and both of you are married, and my blessings are with you. So now he has not become totally conscious, he was not aware, he is still trying to understand the situation, what has happened. Now he remembers, he recollects all these things, he comes to his senses fully, and Natalia says, now will you accept that my squeezer is better than your dog? And he is again adamant, and he says, no, that is not possible, my guess is best in the world, the best in the world. So they begin quarreling again, and they start shouting, and one sensible thing, what does he do? Natalia's father, he says, let us begin celebration, both of you are going to be married, let us open a champagne. And he opens a bottle of champagne, and he says, this first bottle, this is for your, in the happiness, in the welcome, warm welcome of your marriage. तो वो दोनों they are fighting, they are quarreling still, and because he knows that they are going to quarrel later also. So this was the interesting lesson. So better read it and write the summary in your own words. Okay.